Eric Dotton here, and I'm here to give an honest review of the BISSELL Power Steam Mop. This version of the BISSELL mop I have actually used twice over the past 3 years. This is actually my second version. I actually gifted the first one to my parents. This mop, one of the things that I love the most is how you can hang it on the wall. It comes with a mount that holds the mop and the actual stick of the mop. This just kind of goes right up here. And then cord, which is extremely long, which is really helpful, attaches right here on the side. On the other side of the mount, you have all the attachments for it, and this is only a fraction of what it comes with. You have some pieces here that actually will work with the grout tile. You can actually use some of these also here to work with cleaning the grill and even the shower as well. I have found that this has cut down significantly on the time that it takes to clean my home. And in addition to that, I do have some areas that have tile and with some of the faux wood floors as well. This mop has two features on here. One that's for tile, and then also one that's for those wood floors where you don't want to have it be too hot where it will warp the wood. This area right here will light up when it's ready, when the mop has completely warmed up. And it's really easy to fill the mop with water. They recommend using distilled water in here, so to keep it nice and clean and to prevent buildup so that it will last a long time. I really enjoy this mop, and I can't recommend it any more highly. I hope you enjoy it.